One of the famous lines of Saint Maximilian Kolbe are these words: hate is not a powerful force, only love is a creative power. Hate is not a powerful force, only love is a creative power. Why is there such a thing as hate? Bakit ba natin kinamumuhian ang isang tao, bagay o pangyayari? Simply because we got hurt. We hate the feeling of getting hurt. We don't want to get hurt, and it is a natural tendency for us as human persons. Self-preservation would dictate that we avoid things or places that we could get hurt. And when we are emotionally hurt, we also shun away people who have hurt or may hurt us. Kaya, kinamumuhian natin yung isang tao kasi nasaktan nila tayo. Kinamumuhian natin yung isang pangyayari kasi hindi maganda yung karanasan natin. Kaya, kaya anong nangyayari? Ayaw nating makita yung tao. Ayaw nating maulit yung pangyayari. Ayaw nating maalaala yung karanasan. Ayaw natin. At kapag inayawan natin ang isang tao o pangyayari, para bang pinuputol na natin yung koneksyon natin dun sa taong iyon. Pinuputol natin yung alaala ng karanasan na iyon. Self-preservation builds up the hate so that we can prevent ourselves in getting hurt once again. When we hate, we disconnect people. When we hate, we disconnect memories. When we hate, there is a big tendency that we close into ourselves and shut out the world in front of us. Going back to the words of Saint Maximilian Kolbe and the words of Jesus in our gospel, it is only love who can recreate the damage that hate has brought. When we hate, we disconnect. But when we love, we build bridges. We reconstruct harmony. Kung kinamuhian tayo ng Diyos sa mga pagkakasala natin, matagal na tayong wala. Pero hindi ganun ang Diyos. Dahil patuloy niya tayong pinapanibago ng kanyang pagmamahal. God did not hate us because of our sins, but He allows His love to renew and recreate us. Do we hate someone because they have done something to us? Let us be careful then that hate might explode within us and destroy our capacity to love. Kaya nga, sabi din nila, hate the sin, but not the sinner. Why? Because we must destroy our connection to sin so that we may be able to love more as a person. And as we are able to love more as a person, we are able to reestablish our connection to God and to our brothers and sisters as well.